Ernie, I've got your 1.05 program here. Let's take a look at it together. All right, I was just looking at your template, interactive conversation like a chat bot. Should have at least three interactive prompts. So three input statements basically. Input should be assigned to variables. At least you once use indexing or slicing, concatenation, write the pseudocode. So you got pseudocode, word one robot, word two AI, word three is word two plus okay. Gonna have an input, print, your nickname, and okay, well, let's see how these inputs work here. All right, I've got your program loaded up right here. So there's your name, date, purpose of program at the top. All right, let's run this. Oh, it's not doing anything. I'm betting that means you don't have the main statement at the bottom. Nope, it does not. At the bottom, you got to say, okay, run my main function. I'm through writing it. The statement at the bottom tells it to run everything that you're through with the main function. Now let's try it. Okay. Oh, now we have an error. Robot is not defined on line 4. Oh, if you're setting this equal to robot, since that is not numbers, it's letters, you got to put it in quotes. Same thing with this one. Now this is doing some math. It's taking those two and doing some slicing there. But let's see. Run program again. Oh, here we go. What's your name? I'm going to say it's Frederick. What's your nickname? Freddie. Oh, we just had two input statements, not three. Let's see. Hi, Frederick. I'm a robot. Really need a space in there. Name error. Print is not defined. So we got another error. Oh, because you capitalized it. It does not recognize a capitalized print. So both of these are capitalized. We've got to make them lowercase print statements. All right, let's try it again. I'll do Frederick again and Freddie. And would that be cool if the temperature was low enough? Then yes. There we go. I know it doesn't print these things out ahead of time. It'd be nice if it printed, but our version of Python. So I should have seen something on the screen, but there wasn't anything there. Hi, Frederick. I'm a robot. That's cool. I wish I had a nickname, but I don't. If I did, it would be AI bot. So the only thing that you probably could probably put is just some more print statements to kind of, like we asked their nickname and we saved it, but we never printed it. Like maybe say, print your nickname is, and then put plus nickname, and plus quote, question mark, quote, you don't say your nickname is whatever, because since we saved it, it might as well be good to use it, right? So if we said this, what's your name? Frederick. Your nickname's Fred. Wouldn't that be cool? Sure. I'm a robot. Your nickname is Fred? That's cool. I wish I had a nickname, but I don't. Maybe if I did. So just a little bit more of a two-sided conversation on the printout. But otherwise, had quite a few errors in there. Capitalizing the print. You're doing string text, but it's not in quotes, so it was causing errors there. Didn't have your last main statement, but overall, good job on using the slicing. Um, Actually, I think you need this. This would do 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It only really does 2, 3, 4. There is no 6 or 7. So this could have been a 5, and it would produce exactly the same thing. Just because the robot's not long enough to go all the way out to a 7. But otherwise, it's pretty good. It just got to clean up the errors. So if you're having errors in your program, don't turn in errors if we can get them fixed. You could always email me your program and say, hey, this isn't running, or I'm having an error. How do I fix this? And I'll help you with that. So you can put in a program that's working 100%. But anyway, Good job. I'll get this feedback to you, and I will see you in class.